Welcome back to another inspiring journey of creativity, recycling, and handmade art. Today, we are going to explore the magical world of bottle recycling and handmade mandala painting, a space where simple, discarded items transform to breathtaking pieces of art, and where your imagination finds endless opportunities. Let's begin with the story of a bottle. A bottle that once carried water, juice, or soda, or milk is often thrown away without a second thought. But with a little paint, patience, and creativity, the same bottle can turn into a decorative vase, a glowing lamp, or even a centerpiece that brightens your living room. There is the power of recycling. It gives waste a new life and adds beauty. So we are trying to best videos for you. It gives waste a new life, adds beauty to our home. Now, one of the most popular way to decorate recycled bottle is with mandala art. Mandalas are not just painters; they carry deep meanings, symbolizing balance, peace, and wholeness. When you take a paintbrush and start creating circles, dots, or symmetrical designs on a glass bottle, it becomes more than just decoration. It becomes a meditation. Each dot, each line, each color you add a reminder of mindfulness and patience. The bottle becomes a canvas of your emotion. But mandala painting is just one part of journey. You can also combine jewel craft with your bottle designs. Imagine taking a small bead, stone, or rhinestone and attaching them to your bottle art. A simple green glass bottle suddenly looks like a royal treasure chest. Jewel craft adds sparkle, elegance, and character, making each piece unique. And let's not forget about painting jars. Mason jars, coffee jars, or even pickle jars can be cleaned, painted, and decorated into candle holders, pen stands, or kitchen organizer. You can add just jute rope, lace, and tinny for pom-poms for kids' rooms to make them playful and fun. These for kid-friendly crafts not only make your children's room vibrant but also teach them the importance of recycling and sustainability. Think about this. Every time you recycle a bottle or a jar, you are reducing waste, protecting the environment, and saving resources. But beyond that, you are also adding beauty to your home. Instead of buying expensive decor items, you are creating meaningful handmade crafts that hold stories. You can use painted bottles as flower vases on dining tables, turn jar into fairy lights, lantern for cozy evening, or design a whole collection of mandala bottles to gift on a special occasion. Handmade gifts always carry more love than store-bought ones. The creative process also has another hidden gift. It heals you. Painting bottles, crafting with jewels,